Our safety screens can help your business stay open while keeping your customers and staff safe. Our ceiling hung solutions are easy to install, and is available in various lengths and heights to meet your requirements. Our freestanding screens offer the flexibility to create a safe space where, and when, needed. Our acrylic desktop options are perfect for offices, schools and businesses, to provide an effective barrier. We are happy to provide custom designs to meet your unique requirements. Our star material is sound and light transparent, heat radiation and chemical resistant, considered self-cleaning due to its non-stick properties, lightweight and tough, FDA approved, fire safe, and reusable, making it our star product. Safe, tough, American made, and recyclable. We are here to help businesses stay open and to keep our communities safe. To order your safety screen, please call us at 1-800-674-8801 or email us at customerservice@smartsuppliesusa.com. You can learn more about us and the products by visiting our website at www.smartsuppliesusa.com. Thank you for your time. We look forward to hearing from you.